Bonjour, c'est Claire, French in the Midlands. Today we're going to look at the difference between arrêter, arrêter de, and s'arrêter. And the main meaning of arrêter is to stop, but you can also use it for other things, and I'll show you which ones. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's perfect for beginners. Or if you want to study a bit of French to be more conversationally fluent, if you want to string sentences together from day one with everyday expressions and vocab, this course is for you. So click the link and see what it's about. First of all, if you use arrêter with a noun, it can mean three things: to stop, to arrest, or to switch off. Now, I do have a video on how to translate to switch on and off, because that is another rabbit hole. So I'll put a link just above here for you to have a look if you want. But for now, we're going to concentrate on those three. First example, arrête ta musique, je ne peux pas me concentrer. Arrête ta musique, je ne peux pas me concentrer. Stop your music, I can't concentrate. You see how in French we say, I can't concentrate myself. It's reflexive. That's normal. Now for the next meaning, tu sais quoi? La police a arrêté mon cousin hier. Tu sais quoi? La police a arrêté mon cousin hier. You know what? The police arrested my cousin yesterday. You see how arrêter's got that what we used to call Chinese hat on the E. This is the name we gave it in primary school because it was easier to remember than accent circonflexe. Okay, so the Chinese hat. And historically, the Chinese hat was there to replace an S that used to follow that E. So when you look at arrêter, it is basically to arrest. It's kind of easy to guess. And for the last one, je vais arrêter la machine à laver. Ça fait trop de bruit. Je vais arrêter la machine à laver. Ça fait trop de bruit. I'm going to stop the washing machine. It's too noisy. Or as we say, it makes too much noise. Now you see how the three meanings are on there. And that's just for arrêter plus a noun. When you want to use arrêter with a verb, you have to put a de in the middle. So arrêter de translates in English as to stop doing something. There's always going to be the ing there. And the verb in French is going to be in the infinitive form, which means it's left as is. For instance, j'ai arrêté de fumer l'année dernière. J'ai arrêté de fumer l'année dernière. I stopped smoking last year. You see, arrêter, j'ai arrêté, I have stopped. That's the conjugated bit. And after de, it's left as is, fumer with er. I stopped to smoke, we say in French. When you have a particularly boisterous child, you can say arrête de gigoter. Arrête de gigoter. I like this verb, gigoter. It means wriggling. Stop wriggling. Il faut arrêter de se plaindre tout le temps. Il faut arrêter de se plaindre tout le temps. You must stop complaining all the time. You see, we've used il faut because it's a more indirect way of saying you must stop doing that. It's like one must stop complaining all the time. And to complain is reflexive. So you complain yourself. Okay, so here you've got il faut, because il faut is neutral. You got to have se plaindre, because in effect you're saying one must stop complaining oneself all the time. But actually we know who it's directed to. That's the beauty of il faut. And then you've got s'arrêter when it's reflexive. That could also be used with de, if there's a verb after it. But s'arrêter is to stop your whole person or your whole vehicle. Okay? For instance, je m'arrête toujours de travailler vers 18 heures. Je m'arrête toujours de travailler vers 18 heures. I always stop working around 6 p.m. You see, you've got je m'arrête de because you've got a verb there. On va s'arrêter à la station-service pour faire le plein. On va s'arrêter à la station-service pour faire le plein. We're going to stop at the service station to fill up. You see, you're stopping the whole vehicle here. On va s'arrêter. So that's fine, it's reflexive. Faire le plein is an expression for to fill the car up, as in to fill it up with petrol or diesel. It's another instance where we use faire. We really love that verb in French. L'imprimante s'arrête automatiquement en cas de bourrage papier. L'imprimante s'arrête automatiquement en cas de bourrage papier. The printer stops automatically if jammed, or in case of a paper jam, if you want to be literal. So l'imprimante is the printer. You see how the machine stops itself. Nobody stopped it. Therefore it's reflexive. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt.